Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, power windows, fog lights, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.